Apple is rumored to replace the iPhone Plus model with the new iPhone 17 Air. This new flagship model will debut with a super slim design, which would rival Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge. But unlike the rest of the iPhone 17 lineup, the iPhone 17 Air might be the only model with premium materials. So here's what you need to know. The iPhone 17 Air will measure just 5.5 mm at its thinnest point. The iPhone 17 Air is now rumored to come in 4 colorways: black, silver, light gold, and light blue. The iPhone 17 Air is also expected to weigh just 145 grams, which makes it one of the lightest smartphones in its class. The Air will feature a 2,800 mAh battery. Now iPhone 17 Air Ben test leaks online what you think about iPhone 17 Air build quality. The iPhone 17 Air will feature a 6.6-inch display with dynamic island and a camera control button. Apple is also expected to make a 120 Hz refresh rate. T is likely to be powered by an A19 chip with 12 GB RAM. The Air's pricing is expected to be lower than the iPhone 17 Pro, which starts at $999. The iPhone 17 series, including the Air, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max, is anticipated for release in September or October 2025. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.